morning. Welcome to class again. It's time for mathematics. Today's date is Wednesday, 6th of May, 2020. And we're taking word problems on subtraction. Remember, we did it on addition. Now it's subtraction. Remember also what we had to do to look for numbers. For subtraction too, we will look for numbers. It's the same method. When you read the sentences, you pick out the numbers and then you use it to get your answer. However, for subtraction, you have to note which one is the bigger number and which one is the smaller number. So if you have 24 and 8, which one is the bigger number? The bigger number is 24. So you subtract 8 from 24. Okay? So let's take some examples. Number 1. The library has 54 books on its shelf. "54 books on its shelf." "21 of these books are storybooks." 21 of these books are storybooks. The remaining are textbooks. How many textbooks are on the shelf? Another question. There are 96 leaves in my garden. "96 leaves in my garden. Some of them are dry and 24 of them are fresh." Of them are dry and fresh. How many dry leaves are in my garden? Let's take one more question. In my estate, there are 78 houses. 32 of these houses are painted blue. The remaining are painted brown. How many houses are not painted blue? Do you know what to do here? Let's go to number 1. Number 1. The library has 54 books on its shelf. 21 of these books are storybooks. The remaining are textbooks. How many books are on the shelf? How many textbooks are on the shelf? Yes, how many textbooks? How many books are on the shelf? There are 54 books on the shelf. How many of them are storybooks? 21. So we have 54 and 21. Where's your jotter? Bring out your jotter. So we have 54 and we have 21. Where's your tens and your units? Which one is bigger? 24, 54 and 21. Which one is bigger? 54 is bigger. So you write the 54 up here. You know you subtract the smaller one from the bigger one. So you write the 54 first and then write the 21. Okay? So 54 minus 21. Remember, it's subtraction. So let's subtract. Subtract the unit. Count your 4. Take out the 1. So how many do you have left? 1, 2, 3. You have 3 left. And then you count your 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are you subtracting? 2. 1, 2. So count the rest. 1, 2, 3. What's your answer? 3. So 54 minus 21 storybooks gives you 33 textbooks. So there are 33 textbooks on the shelf. Good. Can you do number 2 by yourself? There are 96 leaves in my garden. Some of them are dry and 21 of them are fresh. So what are the numbers? 96 and 21. 96 and 21. So let's go and do the subtraction. Get your jetta handy. (96), 21. Which one is the bigger number? (96) is the bigger number. So you write your 96 and then your 21. Good. Now let's subtract. Count your 6. Take away 1. What do you have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now count your 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Take away what? 2. 1, 2. What's remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's your answer? How many dry leaves are in the garden? How many? There are 75 dry leaves. There are 75 dry leaves in my garden. And let's do number 3. In my estate, there are 78 houses. There are how many houses? 78. 32 of these houses are painted blue. The remaining are painted brown. Now, this question is, how many houses are not painted blue? So the houses that are not painted blue, what color are they painted? Brown. So they want to know how many houses are painted brown. So the question is, how many houses are not painted blue? So let's go back to our calculations. Remember your numbers. What are your numbers? 78. And what? 32. So we'll come back here. Write the numbers down. 78 and 32. Which is the bigger number? 78. And the smaller number, 32. So let's count. Count your 8. Take away 2. What's remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6 remaining. Count your 7. Take away 3. 1, 2, 3. What's remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Yes. So, how many buildings are not painted blue? 46. 46 houses are not painted blue. And you can write 46 houses are painted brown. 46 houses are not painted blue. Yes. So, go over this one more time, practice it, and then do the classwork that is attached. Thank you.